What is going on, guys? As you can tell, this is going to be a different sort of video because I never really start the videos like this. We're going to be trying something new today. And to break it down for you, have you ever... Oh god, I'm about to cough. I'm dying. Have you ever just went to the gas station? It was like, kinda in the mood for a little snack, but don't know what to get? That's why you click this video right here. We are going to be going over. What I was going to say is we are going to be ranking the top candies out there, okay? As you can tell, up here, create a basic candy tier list. And that is what we are going to do with basic candy. Now, we have S, A, B, C, D. Never had them. Because some of these, like, let's see here. What the fuck is Andes? No one knows, okay? So I am going to be ranking all of these and telling you what the best candies are out there, their list, and so on and so forth. What the heck is does that say a moo grand? 100 grand? Let's look up a 100 grand. Still 30% less fat than what? Huh. Never had them. Not worth it. If I haven't heard it, if I haven't had it, it's probably not worth it, Chief. I don't know what the heck a 100 grand is. That's why I need my bank account, that's for sure. Alright. Three Musketeers. Ooh. Now, the Three Musketeers. This candy only hits in certain situations, I feel like. Like, you can't just be going out, hanging out with their friends, pull out Three Musketeers. They're all gonna look at you like, what are you doing? Like, you just can't. That's like a rule. Three Musketeers? We'll put in the B. It's right at average. Aw, Airheads. Now, I'm trying to look. Are these just the regular Airheads? I think they are. Regular Airheads? Ooh. Oh, crap. This is a little bit harder than I thought it would be. I feel like they have to go A tier, though. Airheads are supreme. Next, we have Sour Punch Kids, I think. Or, not kids, Sour Punch. These things are straight C tier. They're, they're like the worst sour candy you could go for. I don't know why you would go in any store and be like, this right here, slap. Because it doesn't. It doesn't. Speaking of not slapping, Almond Joys. Who eats Almond Joys? I feel like you have to be a slower human in society to go out and be like, have you? I just had a lit Almond Joy. No one's saying that because Almond Joys are trash. D. Straight ass-tastic. Altoids, these are like old people mints. I'm guessing these are the same thing. Never had them because I ain't above the age of 50 yet. Alright. Oh, these are the baby bottle pops. This might surprise a few people on where I'm going to rank this. I'm putting a D tier. Now, reason being, I just don't. If you're above the age of 6, you're not gonna choose that. Like realistically, like it's just booty. There's so many better options in here than those. Next, we have Baby Ruths. It's like Halloween sort of candy. Uh, I'd put it B tier, pretty average, but I'd prefer Three Musketeer over a Baby Ruth, personally. This is kind of hard to see. Alright, since this is pretty hard to see, I'm assuming it's black licorice and, bleh. No need to talk about that. Blow Pops. Blow Pops? I won't lie. Kinda hit. So, especially at school, when you got a blow pop for, in like elementary and stuff, for like acing a test or something, you got a blow pop, bro, you cannot tell me you weren't jumping out of your seat and going, oh, why is gonna blow pop? Dude, I don't know why their gum and blow pops is S tier. I feel like this is the best gum ever. A tier. Blow pops, A tier. Still behind Airheads, feel like they are a little bit better. What? Candy coated fruit? Again, I'm not 60. Bottle caps. Fudge. I never really chose these. Tanner, who I think has been in a few of my videos, he used to get these a decent amount. I don't know. I feel like it's C tier. It isn't like it isn't an experience to remember, you know? So, for that reason, it's gonna be C. Like, there's they're like a bad sweet tart kinda. Butterfinger. I don't know how I feel about Butterfinger. The taste is so but the bar itself, I feel like it sticks to your mouth a little. After some heavy debating, A tier. It's going above Airheads. I'd rather have a Butterfinger over an Airhead any day. Cotton candy, bleh. Oh, nope, bleh. I'd rather have black licorice than cotton candy. Especially in the Midwest. I'm from Iowa, and this is the most given out Halloween candy. Why? There's no reason to do that. There's no do you hate kids? Like, that's the only option. What is this? I have no idea what those are. Those actually look like they could be good. It looks like Coconut Crunch is what the title says. I can't really tell though. Oh, cookie dough bites. Now it's hard to get your hands on cookie dough bites if you're not at the movie theater. But when you have them, oh my God. We've all had the cookie dough bites, and we all know where these properly belong, right? Is this a question? You literally... Nothing else needs to be said. S tier. Ooh, Crunch Bars. These, I feel like, aren't great, but they're not bad. I'd say they're right at the top of the B list. Like, you can have Crunch Bar and it's just kind of like, okay. That was decent. Dots. Ooh. I won't lie. As a kid, these dots, I was addicted to them. Now as I gotten older, I haven't had a dot in who knows how long. So, I feel like we're gonna put dots at the top of B tier. These things are kind of slap worthy. Dum Dums. Ooh, I'm gonna put them in C tier. Definitely not with these. But I feel like Dum Dums occasionally, it's kind of like gum. You can kind of have it at any time and it be okay, but it's never like, oh, yes. You know? These are what I think they are. Are these the chocolate eggs? These are the chocolate eggs I'm thinking of. A tier. Where like it's like a liquid chocolate in the middle and it's like, oh my. It's like someone it's, it's like someone gave you the good stuff in your mouth, but it tastes like heaven. A tier. What the heck? Oh, they're fireballs. Now I'm gonna be honest. I don't think any of us have just bought fireballs. Like by the bag. Have we? I feel like fireballs. I feel like they're here in C tier. I feel like they're good every once in a while, but you never get them by the bag. Like they're one of those things where it's like, oh, this is gonna be fun to have, and then you have it, and then you're disappointed that you had it. So then you wait like another 5 months to have another one. But I'd put them there. Fun dip. This might cause some issues. I'm putting Fun Dip there. Now, Fun Dip is an interesting candy because you get a suck the tip, pause, and then you put in the sugar, money. Thing is, I've had Fun Dips numerous times. I always get the sugar everywhere, and then there's never enough dip. And then when you have to eat just like the white little thing, it tastes like booty. Have you ever had booty? I haven't had booty, but that little stick, that's what I imagine booty tastes like. Not good. Not good at all. So that's why I'm putting it where I'm putting it. I don't know what this is. Old people candy. Okay. Gobstoppers. I feel like right here, Gobstoppers, these never really did it for me. I don't know. Something about them. These two candies are like neck and neck for me. They're like, they never really did it, but they always seemed to be like popular. It was weird. Good bars. Have I had a good bar? I don't think I have. Oh, God. I'd rather have an almond joy than this. Sadly. I've had this once. My mom got them. She's like, hey, you want to have one? I'm like, bet. Candy? Straight cheeks. Ooh. Gummy bears. The Haribo kind. Or Haribo? I don't know what they're called. Alright, where do you think they should be? Answer is right at the tippity top of average. I feel like these really are pretty good, but like they're not this level good, you know? Definitely not Cookie Dough Bites good. Are these the peach rings? Oh, gummy worms. The Black Forest ones? We're gonna put them right here. A little bit worse than the dots, but better than Fun Dip, I'd say. Heath bars. Tapas C tier, I'd say. Kind of speeding through these. Hershey. Ooh. Hershey bars. This is a hard one to rank. Because there's so many good about Hershey's. But then again, it's so average. Like, it's such a average taste. It's just chocolate. But it's great chocolate. Top of A tier. Not quite. I can't move it into the S. But that's where it's going to be. I don't know what the heck these are. Hot tamales. Ooh. Ooh. Hot tamales, I'm putting at the top of B tier. These things are underrated. Highly, highly underrated. Up a little bit. I feel like hot tamales should be something bought a lot more. Like these things can be like have that like spicy feeling, but bro, have you ever had a spicy candy and enjoyed it? No, except for hot tamales. These things are like actually like worth grabbing at the store. It's kind of weird that a hot candy made it up here, but putting hot tamales at top. Jelly beans, jelly belly, jelly beans. Fudge. Do I put them A? No. I will put them above hot tamales. I feel like they're still in the B category, but Jolly Ranchers. This one might disappoint some people, but C tier. I just feel like there's so many better options than Jolly Ranchers. Like it's like the sucker, or it's like the Dum Dums and the bubble gum sort of deal, except I feel like worse. I'd rather have gum or a Dum Dum, to be honest. Hate to say it, that's how it is. Oh, Juicy Drop. I remember these. Oh, it's been a long time since I had these. Nostalgia wants me to put this up higher, but realistically, it's like, oh, fudge. Put it here. These things used to be insane, but like as a kid, it's just pure sugar in this. The liquid, I literally just that's going to get clipped. That's literally what I did. I just squeezed like all the juice in me. It tastes tremendously sour and weird and stuff like that. And then I just have the sucker. It's like actually, okay, it is above the Dum Dums. I was gonna say, it's just an upgraded Dum Dum. That's all it is. Junior Mints. No one goes to get mints for candy. No. What are these? I can't really tell, so sadly they're going there. Alright. Kisses. A tier. Right there. Kisses slap. There's just no debate. No one's ever been like, oh, you gotta be a kiss. So no, they're gonna be like, oh, thanks, sweet, lit. I just got a kiss. Ooh, Kit Kats. We got another highly debatable one here. With Kit Kats. Ooh. I feel like for Kit Kats, S tier. Top of S tier so far. Kit Kats really do just slap. They're one of the best candy out there ever. They slapped when I was a kid. They slap now. They're always gonna slap. Kit Kats S. Krabby Patty sliders. I do remember having these. honestly, put them right there. These things weren't bad. They were just gummies that you could play with pretty much, which is pretty cool. So put it there. Oh, had this thing once. Put it there. It was the same deal. My mom was like, "Hey, I got this. You want some?" Bet. Candy. I love candy. Wrong answer. Laffy Taffies. Ooh. Laffy Taffies. Oh, fudge. This is hard. We're putting right here. Upper half of B tier. The Laffy Taffies are pretty decent. I'd rather have a hot tamale and a jelly bean, to be honest. But Lemonheads, bro. It's been forever since I've had a Lemonhead, but oh my god. I'm not gonna lie, this used to be the only candy I got for a while. These and the sour, they were like sour cherries. They might be coming up here soon, but bro, I have to do it. Lemonheads are S tier. This candy slaps, highly underrated. It's just, Alright, next candy, lifesavers. I'm doing it. D tier. I feel like we're all kind of in agreement here where this candy seemed to be really popular, but no one got them. They're D tier. There's so many better options. Like no. And then Lifesaver Gummies, slightly above. These are like acceptable to get. But you're having so many other options. It's just like it's like what? With these, you literally you're sitting there eating something, just you look over at your friend. Why'd you get those? Oh, that's all they had. Oh, okay. That's fair. That's all he had. Normal people don't grab Lifesaver Gummies just in their free time, okay? Don't know what those are. Mambas. A tier. These things, oh my god, I think they're filled with crack. It's just, whoa. It's just, whoa. Mike and likes. I feel like Mike and likes, they're above dots. These two kind of go hand in hand in flavor, but these ones are just slightly better. Milk duds. Milk duds. The only person to eat milk duds are old people. And are you old? Probably not. No offense to old people. This is their candy. This is their go-to. I've put milk duds right behind the dum-dums. Milky Ways. Now for these three candies, these are like, there's like a bad candy bar group, and these three are, actually I'm putting Three Musketeers above Crunch. And this is how they always kind of are. But Milky Way, put at the bottom of A tier. Anytime you get a Milky Way in those, you're like, thank God, this thing slaps. Okay, the caramel. The caramel, just money. M&M's. Huh. M&M's, I'm going top of C tier. They're actually, we're putting here. M&M's kind of hit every once in a while. They're nothing great. Unlike their friend here. I'm pretty sure this is peanut butter M&M's. Which we're putting above Fun Dip. Where on me, Fun Dip is the deciding factor for these two. I feel like you just gotta have a Fun Dip over our regular M&M's, but you can't have Fun Dip over peanut M&M's. Mr. Goodbar, if you eat one of these, sorry, you must hate yourself. I'd rather have black licorice, not candy corn though. What are these? What are those? I don't know what those are. Nerds. What's the... Oh, Nerds ropes. Regular Nerds. I put top C tier. Which isn't bad. But, like, I feel like... It's kind of like Jolly Ranchers. Like, they're decent, but you just don't pick them. Like, no one just chooses Nerds over any of these. So that's... I kind of feel bad for them because they're not horrible. Nerd ropes, you're here. You're just a worse version of Nerds. Sorry. Not sorry. This is a really hard picture to look at. Oh, these are now and laters. Okay. Now and laters, honestly? Top of B tier. These things hit. Like, you would think they're like, oh, they're a worse Starburst. Then you start eating them and you're like, why the fuck are these good? Now and laters are B tier of Starburst one thing. These things would probably be higher, honestly. These peach things, ooh, putting right behind the Laffy Taffy. These things honestly slap. If they had like the peach rings, oh my god, no competition. Close to S. Paydays. That's just another old people candy. We'll put there. Peeps. Tastes like booty hole. These things taste like booty hole. How booty hole though? Probably behind a Payday. What's this? Oh, Pixie. Oh, Pixie Stick. I haven't had a Pixie Stick in forever. I forgot this. You'd always little. Don't clip that. You'd always pour the sugar. This is honestly an experience. Pixie Sticks had an experience when eating them, and just cause, just cause you had an experience with Pixie Sticks while eating them, that puts it higher. I feel like. Feel like Pixie Sticks are above peanut M&Ms. Pop Rocks, cool effect. The taste is pretty Put them above Milk Duds. Push Pops. It's super sticky, super hard to handle. Put it below this thing, the Bottle Pops. These are just chocolate raisins. Ew. What is this? Oh, I've had these. It's like a licorice. Oh. Guys. You see it. Do we need to talk about it? Just no words said. Tapas here. Reese's, beautiful. Ring Pops, dude, it goes right here. Hard to manage. Just bad sucker. But above Push Pops. Rolos. Rolos are underrated. I'm gonna put them like here. Rolos slap, but the thing is with Rolos, I don't know why, they're expensive. These things are expensive. They taste really good, but are expensive for candy. I remember going to the grocery store, or not necessarily grocery store, but like gas station stuff. She would be like, hey, you go ahead and grab some, but make sure it's under $2. This thing would be like $3.50. I'm like, ain't no way I'm ever getting a Rolo. These things are just expensive. What are these? Oh, these are like the little hard fruit candies. We'll put it. Okay, we're gonna rearrange this a little. Heath bars just went down actually a lot for some reason. I just didn't like how Heath bars were there. They didn't feel right. I'm gonna do that. That's better. Alright, Skittles. S tier. There's no debating. Snickers. I'll put Snickers at the top of A. I don't feel like it can be an S, but it's damn close. What are these? I don't know. I'll put this here. Wait, Sour Punch? Isn't that what, we'll put it here. I thought that's what this was. I'm confused. We're gonna rock with it though. Oh, I know. Oh, I had this candy once. Dude, it's like flavored toothpaste. No one eats toothpaste. I don't care if it tastes like bubble gum. You're not gonna eat the toothpaste, okay? That's what this tastes like. I saw it once at the store. I'm like, this is kind of cool, unique, interesting. Let me. Booty hole. Tastes like booty hole. Sour Patch Kids. No debate. S tier. I'm putting it at the top of S. Some people might not like that, but that's where it's going. Oh, these things. This goes with these. It's that Wonka candy. There's all average. Starburst. Nah, I'm kidding. It's S tier for sure. Putting Starburst here. Feel like that's good. What are these? Oh, okay. This is gonna be the one exception for old people candy. Okay, old people candy is a no except for these. You guys might hate me for this, but top of A tier. These little strawberry candy things, or watermelon or whatever they are, bro. It shouldn't be legal for old people to have. No one knows where to get these except for old people. Sugar babies. I've heard of these. I've never had one. Swedish Fish. Swedish Fish are really good. Swedish Fish slap. Swedish Fish. S tier. They're amazing. Sweet tarts. Oh, I forgot. Putting sweet tarts like here. They're pretty decent. Oh wait. Oh, it's these like Take 5 Reese's. I'll put here. No, I won't. I'll put here. Honestly, I'm re-putting this like. There we go. That looks better. Toblerone. I mean, come on. Who's eating this? Put it there. Tootsie Roll Pops. No one's eating this too. Tootsie Rolls. Tootsie Rolls are nostalgic. You love them as a kid. You still love them as an adult, but they're like... they're like the Hershey bar in the sense as they're very average, but Tootsie Rolls are just worse. Sorry, but... they're C tier. Not exciting. These though, the fruit ones, oh my, if Tootsie Rolls are here, they're on the higher half of B tier. Alright, trolley gummy worms. Where I put regular ones. Or not regular, but where'd I put the other gummy worms? I had them in B, right? Oh, fudge, where'd I put them? I can't find. Maybe they have another gummy worm. Anyways, trolley gummy worms. A tier. Yeah, that seems about right. Twix. A tier. Right there. That one might disappoint some people, but it's where they have to go. Regular Twizzlers. Right there. Oh, these are the sucker ones. Of these just regular, we're going to say these are regular warheads for the sake of the video to make them go higher. A tier. Right. Actually, yeah, we'll go right there. Ew, old people candy. We know how we feel about this. It's like down here. Not. Oh, whatchamacallit. Okay. Yeah. Whoppers. Whoppers are booty. Whoppers are overrated. Right there. They're just not good. York peppermint patties. Mint shouldn't be a candy. And I never had those. So, there's gonna be my list. I think it's a very solid list of how candies go. Yeah, I really like it. These I've never had. Some just don't look good. I will admit the one I want to try the most is probably Probably whatever this is. But yeah, if you guys sent a video, if you guys did enjoy the video, go ahead and leave a like, smash the subscribe button, leave a comment if you agree what you would switch. Leave a comment if you agree what you would switch and stuff like that. Maybe share your guys's tier list. Anyways, without any further ado, thank you guys for watching the video. And I will see your beautiful faces next one. Peace.